Vybz Kartel, Freedom Street. One Jamaica walk by. Wait, the man, me get figure that, the man. Believe the man. Have you done this?
Yes, right. Every day.
You know me a film right now, though. And you know, if I reach out to the dolly, you don't know it's sitting go. Look where. Oh my word, watch a man. Yes, man, my teacher. God is good all the time, not you? Big up and respect, you come right out here. Yeah. We there capture all I happening. Time to make my way on the inside, cause the crowd rough on the outside right now. See? Let's do this. Yo, may I tell you, one of the greatest show, or if not, this is going to be the greatest show ever in a Jamaica history. You see me? No joke, no doubt about that. I know me like start off a video them on the outskirt. You understand? As you can see, center camera is the stadium over there, like them lit up and baiting, although a couple of bulbs them blow. But you don't know up the road, actually that's Mountain View Avenue. I don't know the apartment over here, so I want to see exactly which part me there. And we're going to make our way down in the video. As you can see, a barrage of patrons walking from up the top, because guess what, them block off up the road so no vehicle can pass down here, so without proper permission and thing. So everybody have to actually let off them people them up there so, and then walk come down to the venue or them actually hold one of the shuttle bus, which is shuttle bus go right down at the gate after you park on a Hero Circle or one of them places there. You see me I say? So yeah, no joke, no doubt, and the vibe is just different. So make we do it like this. I know in Jamaica walk by, we're bringing the right vibe. Make you feel like say you're actually there. You understand? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So let's do this. So I don't know on my right, if you watch the video that I dropped earlier today or yesterday, depends on when the video I drop. You see the food spot them over there, so whole heap of food, whole heap of people them out, which is a great vibe and all of them good things there. But right about now, we are walk towards the event and a show time. Crazy crowd. I'm going to hope the stadium can hold so much people, but make we do it like this. Yeah. So big up on my Jamaica walk by. If you're new, massive, if you're new here, please me I beg you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah. People still out to buy ticket and all them things. The people still out to sell ticket. You understand? Right about now. So blessings and respect, you don't know, to all my members on Jamaica walk by. All I wanna watch a video, I just wanna say one love. Freedom Street, sit there. Freedom Street t-shirt, all I sell out at the same speed. A mad thing, man. Yeah. Yo, all I can say, Jamaicans are not less but hustlers. Respect and manners. So me I talk about we are hustler, we not play, we have everything. All like people them do that, you don't know, everything them for them same way. Fresh up and out back, same speed. Figure that. One love me teacher. See? See that? Cartel t-shirt, them still out here sell. Madam bad. Big up. See me I say? Yeah, watch your vibe. Is it the one they can fit? Yeah. So it's all about a vibe, massive. People are selling. It's a good vibe out here. Everything there. Yeah. Boy, I tell you, food them smell so sweet. Cheese and peace. Let's do this. So I'm gonna give you a vibe like you're here. So big up to everybody again. We tune in. You don't know Freedom Street, and we are walk towards the venue and things. So me have my ticket in my pocket, which is actually a field ticket. You know what I mean? Because I really wanted to be on the field to video and vlog and the whole works. And when we realized them, sir, the media part, you cannot film from the media pit. So I said, no, I better we're there in the field. So I go in the field. Now look on the crowd on the outskirt. Look on the crowd on the outskirt. Me there from morning, but me never want to go inside from too early because you know me want to catch the outside vibe. Yeah. Oh my word, look ya. Mad, load, energy, not normal. Figure that, big up and respect, man. Respect. I don't see that, I feel me, I feel me now. So you understand, you talk to where we are talking. Madam bad no man, respect our manners man. We outside.
What you know, I see you. You come like Mr. Walkie. Mr. Bogle.
Oh yes, that's how we are doing it.
Yes. I see you walking all over.
All over. You understand?
You want to see too?
And that me so I know so me reach when you see with Cameron family. I want you to see me on a rowboat.
Yeah.
And captain me there.
But you know, I'm the best of them right now.
Yeah.
I don't want to see the rest of them. Can I see the rest of them? I don't want to see the rest of them.
I was at Jamaica walk by. Best of them.
Alright, this is Jamaica walk by.
Yes.
Right? The best of them. Not the rest of them, you know. The best of them. Mr. Walker said, don't spill your guts. Spell it. Spell your guts. You can spell guts?
You can spell, yeah, man.
Spell your guts.
Yes, I spell my guts.
Yeah, spell your guts.
But
no, shh, don't spell your guts. Don't spell your guts.
Look at ways you make me spell it, you know.
Jamaica walk by.
Big up every time, man. Rate the vibe, rate the energy. Where's the Freedom Street?
Freedom Street.
We outside,
Vybz
man.
Kartel.
It's a vibe.
It could be a next street or one Freedom Street.
Freedom.
Any else Freedom Street that ends is. I'm out.
Where you found from? I'm out. Where you found from? I want to sign on my nose. I'm out. It's a record. It's a tape. It's a record. That is it. Big up and respect my teacher as a vibe. Art and love. Yeah, man. Me there, man. Me there. Me tell them say me I go and wait out here till the place festive because me there from morning, you know, but me can't go inside and me don't catch the vibe. I walk up and down to the place. Like I'm yard. Nah, stop.
Isn't it kind of full of style? What do you need to know? Just stop it up a little bit. More talking, more rhyme.
I'm more time, I say me I go stop talk. I'm going right back to not talking.
No, man, you can talk, man.
But see, the year man I say, if you go and reason back with the people, them,
yeah.
Oh, I come because I lock it off to more time, you know, and I do not talking, then cost me.
Man, you have to talk, man. Yo, you can't run joke. Run joke, man. When I talk, you run to joke, man. Yeah. You understand me? I say, joke need to run, man. You have to run joke, man.
Yeah,
waiting there.
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
You hear your name?
Yeah.
Jamaica what?
Walk by.
So what you need for that?
Talk by.
Alright.
I'm out.
Nothing more.
Freedom Street massive, so it's all about one of the greatest shows in the world. Yeah. Big up the Vybz Kartel and the whole massive. I don't know all the down sound massive. Big up and respect. Yeah. You know what I mean? So as you can see outside of the entrance, what the G name again? Me catch
Jamie Fox. Jamie Fox.
Jamie Fox.
Let him tell him.
Jamie Fox.
Alright, superstar.
Alright.
So yeah, so big up to Jamie Fox. We actually, they are my general out of Freedom Street gate. We just gear up before we go up on the inside. You know me, massive, we have to catch the outskirt and see what I want. I know we don't deal with it. Yeah, because outskirt we have to catch, you know, everything is the skirt. So I'm about them ticket already.
One Freedom Street, isn't it?
Freedom is a must.
Yeah.
It's a must.
Yeah.
No joke, no.
T-shirt.
Not the Ensis Freedom Street, you know. The original Freedom Street. See ya?
Figure that.
Yeah.
Man. So massive, the ladies them out, you know me always try to get you beautiful ladies them. Yeah. You know we have to go and shoot up more time. Oh my word.
Hello, excuse me.
Inside, ready. So it's a vibe, it's an energy. Only for ladies come out nice. You know what I mean? They put on their well dressed and thing. Them looking all beautiful.
looking sexy
and all of the great thing. Oh my word. So it's gonna.
Everything fit. G-string panty, Victoria panty.
Oh my word.
Everything I wear.
And we're gonna see a bag of that tonight.
Yeah.
You understand? Everywhere you're gonna look, you're
Nice
gonna
and
see
beautiful.
all of the happenings. You see me? Over here, let me ask this beauty. Hi pretty. Hello, excuse me, which country are you from? Probably don't even speak English. So you know the thing, but we don't have a problem seeing we go and chat same way. Watch out them outfit here, watch them outfit here, watch them outfit here. Space suit settings. Mad and bad. So it's all about Freedom Street. And I tell you, say, people from all walks of life, they're out here right now. Jamie Fox, big up and respect, I don't know. Heart of love, hear that? No doubt, no joke. Look good. Jamaica walk by.
I never thought by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah. So massive, we're there, this is a vibe, it's an energy. Big up to Jamie Fox, and I mean, man full of vibe, man full of culture. So respect and due, and big up to everybody who always watch the channel, you know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. Big up man, you're outside, water, everything of itself off, right? Figure that, no joke, no doubt. How you mean? 1, 2. Jamie Fox again.
I'm a TikTok page now. Because people don't want to know me now.
No man, you have to.
People don't want
You have to.
I
you have in your name in Jamaican Jamie Fox.
Yeah, people. They're going to build a TikTok page. Don't worry about it. Just look out for me here.
Figure that.
You understand? I'm up on the island right now. On Freedom Street, I enjoy myself. I'm about to go inside. Where you know the gate is very full. So what I'm doing, I'm freestyling with my ticket. So whatever time I'm ready, I go right in. Right? And I go at the front of the stage. Because I want to see the teacher.
Figure
I
that.
walk with my book and my pencil. Right? Because the teacher got to do what? What the teacher going to do? What the teacher going to do?
What am I forgot? Am I to teach?
Perform!
Big up the teacher. Man. Yeah, so the energy right out there so just different, my bro. You understand? Whole heap of bag and things. Nah, I mean, the energy right. So, I don't know how the gate are going to work, but I can see what I'm going. But I have to catch a vibe on the outside there, so and thing. Whole heap of ladies are sitting. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Juice right
But
here.
it's just serious. My. I don't know if the stadium can hold all of them people here and thing because it is way early right now, massive. Me talk about, you look on people now and it's just like 2:07 in at the PM, 2:07. And look on the place. Yeah, massive. 2:07 and I place this on the outside. No joke, no doubt. So I may say, reach thus far, please may I ask if you watch thus far and you're not yet subscribed, please may I beg you to subscribe to the channel. Zin? Yeah. Please subscribe to the channel right about now. Please may I beg you to subscribe to the thing right now. Let's go. Keep on liking the video as we do it like this. So look on the inside. Yeah. So the show just about to start. So we're gonna take time make our way on the inside. Zin? Oh you mean? Yeah. Oh my word. See I'm a teacher yeah. Outside. Cheer.
Alright.
Cheer and on.
A Gaza party, you know.
Cheese and peas. Yeah man. Cheer yourself. Clothes and skirt. We're out here. So it's a vibe on the outside, may I tell you. It's a vibe on the outside, massive. So as you can see, shuttle bus them just a drop off people and the gate just a get rammed. Me so stop waste time and head inside of the venue. You know what I mean? Because you don't know, me don't want out here ram up too much and me can't get for go in. You see me I say? So, no problem with that. Let's go. A mad thing, man. Whoa, yo. Nice. Here, people. Actually, I sell ticket right now. So you know me, I gotta try catch the type of dressing, the outfit them where the people them are beat, or the ladies them are beat, and thing. Yeah, nice. Every kind of thing forward out, you know. Man, that is it. Look good. Everybody, big up to everybody who actually join right now. And at this is the vibe. Freedom Street. Yeah. We there capture all our happenings. Yeah. So as you can see, the entire place block off. And we just roam through. So that's how them do it. You see the shuttle bus them there? See the shuttle bus them there, say you park, hero circle and them place there.
Curtain me up, towing me up, curtain me up, find me up.
And the shuttle bus them drop you at the event.
What's up?
This is going to be an epic event. Epic event. Epic event. You can't stop saying. Bad dance are rolling too. This is going to be a crazy event. People are checking from all over the world. Yeah. Boy. Almighty. The bus them are work right round the clock, bro. Look there. Look on people are rolling. The bus them are work right round the clock. Jesus. People just a drop off like whoa. Judge and one. I hate man. Yo, look on the place. Yeah, so we outside massive. We are looking for going shortly. But we just see how the vibe, the energy stay up on the outside. Yeah. Yo, me say shuttle bus them a work like whoa, yo. Every minute you see a bus drop off some people. Yeah. So you can see all different kind of dressing. Cargo skirt, cargo shorts, ramper, Freedom Street look. Some people dress as if them just a forward out like regular, and some people got extra. You understand? They bust them a drop off people like whoa. Ladies galore, bro. Yeah. And so far to me understand everything I move freely. Everything I move freely. I don't hear the people that complain about nothing. Everything just I move smooth and everything I move freely, which is great. You know what I mean? Blessed respect my teacher. Man, look like an artist. Figure that all the socials go.
You know what the great show THEGREISHOW is, isn't it? I grade leader water. Somebody that just the food in the chat. Check out for anything.
Anything, social media.
Everything.
Figure that. You have a look, my G. Blessings and respect. You hear that? That is it. Figure that. You can see it on Jamaica walk by. See? Jamaica walk by. Wow, respect. Good night. Yeah. This thing. Blows and skirt. My youth, how you does that, maestro? Yo, me not even know what to say a blouse and skirt. I'm a brother this. Marshall, you know me not see you. I can't recognize that teacher. Yo, me see you and I say, which gangster is? I move from me, so you know it. Hold on. I would have thought that's a girl with the whole life vibe. A girl with the whole life prettiness. Oh my word. Outside. Can I get a little bump? Blessings and respect all is well. That is it. Maestro Dan. Outside.
Jamaica walk by TV, but that is for 2023, 2024. But we are talking about prior to that.
Yeah.
Fabian.
That is it. Bad singer.
Baddest, not just bad. Baddest. Not boy test. You understand?
Massive. A maestro than this.
Yeah,
superstar, international artist. Maestro, know me I try. When I do it at my yard, like if I want make my girlfriend know so I reach in and I goes up. I can't do this so loud, you know. Listen me no man. You not get proper practice, so you have to go teach me right way, you know. You understand? One way.
Any other way I wrong way.
I wrong way.
Remember good no man.
Big up all Waterford Massive. No joke, no door. Massive, I'm a real brother this. You understand? No joke. Years, span up by years, span up by years.
Hold on. Let me tell you something. You see, the first song when I put some melody in, them man I press record on it. And them man I say, no. Sing it so.
Sing it.
Do it that way, yeah. Ray. That song name, You Are My Girl. I will never forget that.
You are my girl.
And them man. I understand.
Maestro Dan.
Jamaica walk by TV. We see what go on and we love what go on. Baddest, maddest, roughest, toughest. You're not getting better than this man. Near your ear.
Bro, you're clean like whoa. Yo, everything look like it new. Every single thing. Cheese and peace, the man. Yeah, Massive. Check him out on all platforms. Maestro Dan or Maestro Dan Music. You understand? No joke, no doubt. What the latest?
Latest is Zion. Check it out on all streaming platform. That is Z or Z-Y-O-N. You see me, Maestro Dan Zion.
That is
song out the music video. Just check it out, man. Near you hear something for the youth, something for the street, something with a message. Whole heap of melody, whole heap of calmness. Not a regular type of I can cuss madness. Just check it out, man. Maestro Dan to the fullest.
But I know me have to stand up and talk to my brother, you know what I mean? I hold out with the studio for hours, spent up for hours, and I bleach and I get it right. You know what I mean? This man go hit song, pan top of hit song, you know, which is great. You know what I mean? And I respect that. So continue to do the hard work, my little brother. Big up and love always. The family good and everything great.
Yeah, man, watch and make them wiser. For the woman them. From me see her the first time, me have to get you.
Cheeks.
Body set up right, and that me tell you. I love you so much time, you know, for jealous. Say that body there, your leader. Yo, Jamaica walk.
Bigger that. Yeah. One Maestro Dan, it pan top of it. Respect. Yo, you know me rate boy, I just love how you're still humble, Maestro.
No, I have to. I got to keep you alive and
still
keep you grounded and sane, you know what I mean?
Still humble.
We
respect
not try
that man.
Not to be ourselves. We're being ourselves.
All the time.
Man as my bro, every time.
Maestro Dan, big up my brother. But out here, I'm part on the inside and now, you know. See? Come on. And take care, my friend. One love, see? Yeah, that was welcome brother Maestro Dan. Check him out, Maestro Dan Music. Yo, a years, man top of years, we know that G there. Years, man top of years, we do music. You know what I mean? And I tell us, please, may I ask everybody, if you never know about Maestro Dan Music, check out Maestro Dan Music on all platforms. Remember, the latest single also out called Zion. So make sure you check out Zion on all social media platforms. Seen by Maestro Dan. Mad, big up our Waterford Massive, no joke, no doubt. Seen? Mad love, mad respect, always. Yeah, man. Whoa, you see all the ladies them out, same way, we have to go and catch you and go on. You know what I mean? Freedom Street type of settings. And nobody now gonna have what me have. You know what I mean? Because the vibe just different. No joke. Whole heap of dolly round and so you know one part. Look good. Dolly like, whoa. And man, outside. Man. Oh, say the fear. Look good. So that are the code, that are the code, that are the code. Hello, good night. My name is Fabian, Jamaica Walk By. Do you mind giving ourselves a shout out? I'm actually was video. No? Alright, mad love, mad respect here. Big up to all and to you and the crew. See? Yeah. So I can't say me never ask, so I'm saying no, so no problem with that, you know what I mean? So we sure to say we still try, you know what I mean? If they may say yes, we just go so boom and give them a shout out. Cause since we have video them, might as well we can give them a shout out so people can follow them. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. It's all about a great vibe. Yeah.
Clappers, clappers, clappers.
Alright, so it's time for us to make our way on the inside. Yeah, moment we say out with the priceless donuts them, no joke, no doubt. One love, hear that? Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Not pass, me teacher. I'm not going in yet. Yeah. So, as you can see the line, look on the line. This is the line going on the inside right now. All of the peace officers them right here, so do the order and things, so that people can move through really and more and much faster. Look good. This is beautiful. I'm like how the people them move hard a little.
All the persons this line, one entrance, this line, one entrance.
Massive. No. What time is it on the phone, miss? See? 20 that hour.
17 minutes past 8.
Yeah, 17 past. Yeah, my mind. Say again. Oh, see that? Oh gosh, man. You're watching, man. Man, as I respect. Respect. Yeah, man, I'm not joking. I remember, man. I remember. Alright. One love, bro. So see there? You wanna hear the time? Early hours and the place ram pack and them organize the gate, which is the entrance area. And this is like, oh my word. What time she said? Wow, holy padali. Come on. Yeah, so everybody, if I say everybody go that way.
That way?
Yeah, go around to make one line to go through.
One entrance, that line. That line. So much.
Yeah, no, so when you go through here, you're gonna, based on the ticket, down there, you're gonna know which line to go in. Yeah. That's what it says.
Up here, your person sitting in the line.
So this is actually what is going on right now on the outskirts of Freedom Street. One of the greatest things is to see that persons are actually cooperating with the peace officers, which is great. And that side. Yeah. Wow. So you don't know. Time to make my way on the inside because the crowd rough on the outside right now. See? Let's do this.
Hurry up and join the line. So we are going to keep the line that way. One entrance.
Have your ticket ready, people. It's on your phone, bring it up. You'll be in the line looking for it on your phone. It's those things up.
this is the settings going inside. So, just like all like massive, them I make you feel like on the there. Yeah, teacher, Madam Bad. So this is the vibe. Oh, you have to go through the gate. We go on the inside. The crowd is rough. So we're actually on the inside, and we make our way down to the venue. Say that again, my boss. The feel. Feel of which one?
Infield straight ahead, Beachers Constant to the right.
Alright, mad. You hear that?
Beachers Constant to the right.
So this is how we go. Why me say ladies them put on some clothes. Yeah. Right. Go straight across. Oh, then just change it. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Jamaica, where by?
Yeah. No, infield over there. Yeah. Alright, so we are going on the infield massive, see? Yeah.
I wish I knew it again.
Jamaica walk by. Yeah man, big up our respect. No joke, no. Respect, you know. See it? Yeah. Alman Town vibe. Yeah. Yes, you have a lucky. That is it, man. Infield. Yes, alright?
Infield?
Yeah.
Let me see it again.
Sure I can keep a ticket here, you know. Alright, so yo, adequate lines, like whoa, the setup is just out of this world. To make it easier, so the flowing of human traffic smooth. See me? So look at it. So I give another real experience as if on the there, so I can experience what we are experiencing from a first person type of vibe. You see me? Yeah. Just like that. Yeah man. Look good. Let's go. Alright. So at this point, this is where you get search. Yeah. So you get search right there, so make sure you say nah, carry it on. I'm massive. Wow. Don't know you get your search. I think whole heap of dolly. Whole heap of dolly. right up on top of them thing, now you have the different entrance there. So look good. See? Them actually show all of the thing them, all of the banners them, to which part you're going. Very well organized. Nice. Let's do this. Everything I go to hell. The Jamaica walk by your mind. If you get a shout out your Instagram, like your Instagram a shout out. Cause you're not Dali, you know, me like wanna come out, you know. What's your Instagram?
Tyra Moms.
Say it again?
Tyra Moms.
Tyra Moms?
So that's Tyra with 2 A's, Moms.
Alright. Please, may I beg you find me on Jamaica walk by now so I can find your Instagram
Walk
page.
and talk, my love. Walk and talk. You know, you see the committee's coming.
Yeah, we can't go no more. See that? Me no want to look down them, you know. Yeah, man, the right thing she do.
So I walk and talk.
Build energy, man.
The
You come
committee's
out,
coming.
now me see you, your favorite one come out already, you know.
Coming to a blood clot job. More sleep.
Who do you make up? Big up your makeup artist.
I'm a makeup artist.
Oh, you're a makeup artist? Yeah, what's your Instagram?
Glambox Empire.
Glambox Empire?
Yeah, come get your hair done.
Yeah,
And the makeup.
so ear and makeup and
And
thing.
pick up nails by Leah.
Nails by Leah.
Yes, go get it
Figure
over
that.
more.
Yeah. One love, one respect. That is it, man. So it's a nice good vibe, a nice energy, right? I say another line. Yeah, me teacher. Are you?
You can go eat.
Yeah. Madam bad.
So, you can't. No, the ticket. Give us the ticket.
I eat that. Yeah, good.
Yeah, 2 sauce.
Yeah, that is it. Put the banana. Yeah. Alright, big up yourself here. So this is how it happens. So you get your handband, the minor, after you give a ticket, and that's it. Is it? Let's go. See Dalia. Nice, see makeup artist, big up yourself, me love how you look. You see, I could have tell you you're a makeup artist, and I look at your makeup, I say, no man, the makeup, you sit down, man.
Sit down.
Come right out, you look good. See all your next friend there, oh, that is it. When you come out, figure that. So massive way on the inside, so you figure out where to go. Oh my word, the place packed, the place around. Whole heap of Dali. Jaja no. It's a nice vibe. The energy is just right. You can't say nothing about that. I like how the people them actually them organize. Mr. Winford Williams, blessings and respect. Jamaica walk by.
Yes, sir.
Respect always. Yeah. Dali. Jump. Yeah, man. Come true. Right out. Check. Why, oi. join a line to take a picture right there, so drop your name in the history books. You see? So massive, if you're watching thus far and you're not yet like, please may I beg you like the video. Please may I beg you. Vybz Kartel, Freedom Street. One Jamaica walk by. Wait, the man, figure that, the man. Believe the man. Have you done this?
Yes, sir. Every day.
You know me a film right now, though. I know if I reach out to the dolly, you don't know I sit and go, look boy. Oh my word, watch a man. Yes, man, my teacher. God is good all the time, not you? Big up and respect, you come right out, yeah? My general, how you think say you're good? But there, yeah. And may I tell you, more blessings, more riches, and everything, and health and strength for the new year. See? Go and watch the channel. And same to you, Queen. Yeah. That is it. Big up and respect, heart and love. Yeah, man, the energy is great, man. Blessings and respect to all my Jamaica Walk By supporters who actually see me in the street more time and just say, yeah, we're out here. We're out here. We are going on the infield. So massive, one of the things why I'm not ears to go on the inside is because so much music is playing, you know. Loads of music are playing and you don't know the copyright thing, so we're not rush ourselves to go on the inside yet. As we hear, because you don't know, me no want to mash up the video with the HIPAA copyright and all of them things there. You understand? So we slowly make a way there. So you have grandstand entrance. Let me ask. Infield entrance. Infield entrance here, so. Alright, good. So also infield entrance is right here too as well. That is it. This show is going to be epic. This look like is another search again. So according to protocols, this is actually like the third search point that I've seen, you know, to enter the event. So clearly everything's supposed to be running real smooth so far. I'm not seeing no brawl out, not where people have to complain about so far, which is great. So let's just all continue to cooperate with the system and them rules and things them have, and make we just have a decent show. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Let's do this. Jamaica. Yeah, man, Jamaica. What leg up and respect, now, man. But outside, man, blessings and respect, man. Okay. Where you from?
From Canada.
Yeah, from Canada.
Yeah.
That is it, now, man. Here again.
YouTube all the time.
All the time.
Yeah.
All right, you go watch yourself now, too. You know.
Yeah.
Blessings and respect, man. You see me? Big up all Canada massive and my subscribers over there in Canada. One love and blessings. Let's do this. How much line them ago? Which is it? This is supposed to be the infield. I'm not sure. Bleachers. You know, to honestly, me say, wait, confirm, but I'm sure me see bleachers sign over this is still a big banner. But and this, yeah, this is a grandstand and infield. I think this. I want to confirm with them. Security. This is the infield line. That is it, correct. Yeah, so the line of the infield. So I guess this is like the most difficult part so far, the searching part. If you have none pan it a beep, you have to get a search. You see me? Why am I being ignorant? is rather interesting, you know what I mean? Still have to respect the people them where do them job. Alright. Alright. Blessings and respect, you know what I mean? Just one power bank, you know. You can't see this here, man.
No, man, just give me that. Go ahead and scan in the
Come on, boss. Come on, when she get that.
Yeah, man. Because you know me and Philip see when Jamaica walk by. See?
General, this one is the pad entrance. Here. General.
Yeah, man, you're right. No, let's come in the back. Let's put him back in everything. So what's going on? You have to be searched. So this is like every single person has to be searched. This is like my third search.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, oh, she can put me down now with this.
You don't get the search, boss. You know why you want to put this.
Respect. Yes, respect and manners. See. Yeah. Alright, so we inside. Bless up, bless up. So yeah, that's how the search I go on. We don't have no problem being searched because we don't know. We know. See it there. So every time. So you know me not have no problem to get search and thing because me know me clean, everything good. You see it? So National Stadium. So the show not officially started. I just music I play as the people them start load up for come on the inside. You know what I mean? This band can bring you to the grandstand to one them area there. But you know me I go in on the field. So let's go. Big up to Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel himself make we get them ticket for further the event and I super appreciate that. So Kartel, big up yourself and the whole team, the entire down sound team. Another searches too. Yeah, Jamaica walk by me. Big up and respect, man. Always, man. Yeah. So we're there. And the vibe is right. Blessings and respect. Good night. Infield for you, right? Respect. Alright, so let's go. Yeah. Johnny B, we meet again. Big up and respect, man. Not this if I Instagram, I say you're there and I say, yeah, but I'm most running to you.
On the ground.
All is well, my teacher. So the great Shani B, you don't know, BBC One Extra, great band, this foundation general, you understand? As a brother, when I look up to, let me see which my talkaphone is having today. Let me see the hand, what the band is? Broke out vibe today. Madam, man, look there. Executive Shani B. Big up every time. See it there, man. One love, always. Jamaica walk by, see it, man. Heart of love, man. Shani B. General. So let's go. We're going through. No, sorry, darling. I choose. Let's go. Hope me not get no copyright and all for them thing. Oh my word.
I tell you, but I'm coming again.
Look at the place. We're there. Stadium full already.
Don't start the new year with the people half of them who you can't trust. Every friend we are stepping at the new year with, make sure that's a person where you 150% respect and you know that person respect you. Everybody will stand beside somebody when you know you're a real friend.
Look at the place.
Get in and fight right now, you know make your friend get beat up. Put up your friend and in the sky and put something up there here. Press play on it.
Infield.
them with them when I gonna bust it down now. Cause the pussy when they got me, so they love out. Enough of pussy man, enough of them are fucked out. Even if them spend that to kill them anyhow. When I go, you know.
Everybody want to kill for your man and your own. Just put up your hands up. Put up your hands up. There is no time to guys.
We're there. What a vibe, everybody serious.
You know me, I'm not coming yourself to waste up. Ladies and gentlemen, can I ask you a question? Everybody who is here and believe that Father God up above made it possible for all of us to be here tonight right now. Just put your right hand in the sky. Everybody will believe in the Father God, put your hand in the sky. The new year soon start. Everybody will love God, put your right hand in the sky right now. Press play. Everybody will love Father God. Get something and put it up in the sky. So. Ready? Put them up in the sky. Ready? This is one flag door. This is one flashlight. Everybody will love Father God. I get what God loves. Let us win some. Win some. see a friend and put up that man in the ear, and then next friend just move from beside of them and cover their nose. That's not a good sign. The party just started. Everybody who's here with a friend where you know for more than 3 years, most of them over your head low. Who's here with a friend where you know for more than 10 years? Alright, someone else. Anybody's here with a friend where you went to high school with? All there with your high school friend, what's up there for your school? Low. Big up all who never slow there with your friend back on top. Not one more your friend, no time. If your friend there, what's up there for your friend? Tell him. Let go. Give me a gun finger. 1, 2, ready now. Every man is straight and clean, boss a blank. You got tongue like a meal, boss a blank. You know living at the stream, boss a blank. You know when boy things, boss a blank. You know like when we are freedom straight, freedom straight, freedom straight. Yo, that's good. So don't know everybody now about it. Send it out there. Run way. Them covered like that. Freedom straight. Freedom straight, massive. No joke. So massive, this is the early segment. The show ain't even started yet. People just start coming. I mean, I tell us, the vibe is right. So, I'm gonna have to do this video in a few parts. You see me, I say? No joke, no doubt. First segment, lit. So, this is what the food era look like, you know. You see me, I say? This is the food era now. Madam Bad, look at it. Look at this. No joke. So party vibes food tent right here, so I don't know, a taste of Ghana over here, so you see me, I say? Yeah, see another food booth over here, so elegant bar and grill. See I say? Man. And as you move through, you have chicken and things over here, so yo, whole heap of food on the inside as well. No joke. Well, we have chicken and things, same speed. Big tent. What a vibe. No joke, no doubt. And what we have over here, so now? Oh, Madam Bad. Look good. Freedom Street. Freedom Street. Yes, a name top tier restaurant and bar. Food galore. And you have fire. And you have fire bread with a fire grill. See again? What is the freedom, man? That is it, man. No joke, no. Give up our respect. Now, video. All side. Yeah, boy, dead. So, Firebird with a fire grill, Madam Bad. That's what we did. See, best in Caribbean and international cuisine. So, the vibe does great. National Stadium, look good. You also have a TV, also. Light, and also the bar on the right there, so
This is part 1. Freedom Street. Stay tuned and watch the other videos. Them. Show no start yet. Pull up on the men's and man, I jack the rum. We not